So this is how it goes. I don't know if you remember a time where me and Raja and Cheese was on the live. Me, Raja and Cheese was on the live and Vani was sending me a request. I didn't answer because I know she and Cheese don't talk. I don't know if you don't remember that time. And Raja made the mistake accept her after I was declining her because he never remember. I said them now. So I made the mistake add her. So when him add her now, I know the little cousin one or whatever. I guess, well, I wasn't the one who add her, but she seemingly have up me. Because I guess because she can't argue with Raja, she chose to argue with me because she know me not go answer. So she went over her live and she said all manner of things about me. Again, I ignored it. I said it, nothing. And I'm sure you guys know that I said nothing because you didn't hear anything from me. Anyways, that passed and gone. I see a screen recording of me that somebody posted and she commented, Triple is up. So when I saw she said Triple, I said, no, you're gone too far with your disrespect. So I had blocked her at that point. That was it. I didn't say a word. None of you guys don't know. I just blocked her. So now, last night, my page got, you guys know I don't show body parts. You guys know I don't even stand. When my page got, she was trying to help me out as a foreign ranker. So when I went on the live, she explained to me that she has a manager. When you have a manager, some of the managers work for TikTok, so they can get them unbanned in the US. She don't know if it works for Jamaica. So Ivani commented on the live. The Near was on the live too on his section and said she got approved for the agency today, which is yesterday. So she's trying to make me know that if she can just call them and get unbanned or whatever the case may be, because she signed with an agency now and the agency works for TikTok. All that said and done, I came off of that live, went on my own live. Vani used Lady P page and comment and say, I'm not gonna stop lose my page them. My page I'm not gonna stop going. She was practically trolling me with Lady P. I know it's not Lady P because Lady P has never tried to disrespect me. And then somebody pull up the screen recording where Vani was talking on Lady P page. Apparently Lady P give her that page. The Lady P 0 whatever. After I blocked that page, Vani came with her real page and come again and saying all sorts of things about me. Again, me ignore it. She go over Instagram, she posts. She take a screenshot of me and me losing my page and say, fuck her you or whatever. And then she posts up all manner of things about me on Instagram, say, as me build one page, me go lose one. As me build it, me go lose it. So she basically there, and she said she not hide and talk. So she basically I put it out there. Now, people are asking why I said she did it. I said she did it because she said she did it.